monitoring him, but sometimes he veers off the rail. He is now my leader in the House, but he knows that I'm his leader. I came here before he came. I went to school before him. I became an accountant before him. So, Mr. Speaker, in all aspects, he has a lot to learn from me.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Speaker, it's giving me the image that I'm training someone who is untrainable. I have been training the majority leader for a very long time. I want him to lead this House, Mr. Speaker, on a serious matter. You lead this House. You are the majority leader of the National Assembly of the Republic of Kenya, including those of us who are in the minority. You are the leader. In fact, you are second in command to the Speaker in this House. So, Mr. Speaker, henceforth, I would want to see a total paradigm shift from Kimani Ichungwah as the majority leader of this House. Let them lead us, and Honorable Wandai as minority leader, to be here most of the time. Yes, let them lead us. We need leadership in this House. Mr. Speaker, with those many remarks, I want to stop.
Robert Pukose.